To check S Pen touching function on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find device care. Tap device care. Scroll down the screen. Under additional care section, tap diagnostic. Under phone section, tap phone diagnostic. Scroll down the screen. Next, tap S Pen touching to start checking its function. Remove your S Pen. Now, touch its squares on the screen with your S Pen and then drag the S Pen across the square to see whether there's an issue with your S Pen touching function. If you manage to get all squares blue, it means there's no issue found during the test and you will be informed that the S Pen touching function on your phone is normal. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.